My name is Aiasha. I am a hair extension specialist, which means that I specialize not in just sew-ins, but tape-ins, clip-ins, I-tips, K-tips, and everything in between. I love being able to help transform women's looks with hair extensions and just show them that they can still look really natural and glam at the same time. I offer a service, I call it my VVIP service, where I will come to a client's home or office, depending on what they have going on, to do extension services. Some of the things that my clients look for and we discuss during our consultation is they want to know how long will the install last, whether it's the tape-ins, clip-ins, a sew-in, or even the K-tips. They also want to know, can the hair be dyed? If they shampoo it, like what will happen, if it's going back to its natural state, can they straighten it? What I love about Anibu hair is, one, is true, real, raw hair. It doesn't have that chemical, weird corn chip smell. You don't have to worry about having any synthetic hair mixed in. You don't have to worry about curling it and it starts to burn on a curler. It dyes very, very well. You have that versatility of wearing it curly or straight, and it's gonna last a long time. Some of the textures that I've worked with are the super curly, the blowout, the straight, the wavy. All of the textures actually I've worked with. I always wear Anibu hair. The hair I have in now is Anibu, and it's the Indian natural wavy. This is just a fluffed out, combed texture. When you wet it, it will definitely become curly, and it just will have that nice, juicy, luscious curl. I'll put it in my little hair collection after I'm done, and when I'm ready to wear it again, I just shampoo it, condition it, and it looks just like when I first got it. My customers love the fact that Anibu has so many different textures. They love how soft it is, how full the bundles are. They love the naturalness of it. Usually when they start to wear Anibu, that's the only hair that they wear. Anibu is not paying me for this. I am giving an honest review and opinion based off of my experience with the hair. It is A1 for sure. I would definitely recommend Anibu. 10 out of 10, 5 stars, hands down.